excuse the mess on my game topper with the plexiglass top. Use it as a desk sometimes with the plexiglass. Anyway, earth, flush, vertical. So here's the boards. All the boards. Here. Score pad. The tokens here. These are the Kickstarter upgraded dirt. I think they're called dirt pieces. 2 trays for those so you can play them on the table. Obviously they can fit them all in one, so there is room if there is an expansion, which for some reason I think there probably would be an expansion. It's a very popular game now. Same thing with this table on the table. Again, all these would probably fit in one. Easily put into one. These are your Kickstarter upgraded pieces. Don't know what they're called, but again, lots of room to put them all in one. These are your dirt. It's for your retail. And your single dirt. That's what these are. Those single dirts. This is 10s and 5s. 10s and 5s. These are your cards sleeved in Mayday Premium, which I think is 90 microns, maybe 100 microns thickness. That's all the regular cards. First player token and the Kickstarter first player token. Didn't know where else to put it, so I put it there. This is all the base game, or the not the game, but the retail stuff. Those are the retail version of those. The retail first player token and some other bits in a silicone pack. Silicone pack they put in everything. These are your other cards, solo cards, are over here, I believe. This one, yeah, solo cards over here. Again, Mayday, Premium 90 or 100 micron, I forget. Very easy to put away. But these are like this. This is the bottom. If you didn't include the retail stuff, you'd have a bunch of extra room. Card trays. Like that. Put this here. You may not use it, but I don't know if there's enough of the extra dirt tokens. If there's not, there's tons of extras to use. And I put this here. Put this here. So I'm just gonna make sure this fits. I was just gonna put this in last. Don't forget. This goes first. And this goes in. As much as it goes in. There we go. There we go. Score token. More score pad. More token. It's really hard to put stuff away with one hand sometimes.